Here we go, guys. Awesome. Started the Mojo show and we got what we wanted, guys. Nice jump in the UVXY. Profitable in that. Everyone's got a nice little action happening in the UV. We're profitable in the room. It's been a tough day, guys. It's like being at the dentist. It's like being at the dentist. We are just been, whoo, it's been tough. Tough, 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 I tell you. LABD. I didn't go with LABD because I'm in the TVIX UV combination right here. You know, being patient like that, waiting for a move like this, and it's just a matter of patience, man, to get paid in these things. And they have to go a little red for you to make money and get green, and that's fine because you don't look at you're trading price in the market, not trading your P&L or nothing like that. So here we go. Go ahead, Uves. Dow's up 91. We're up again. 91 points on the Dow Jones. Can you believe that? That does not make no sense. We got like B-1 bombers going into North Korea, war happening, and it's just unbelievable that the market is so resilient. It can't sell off. Look at this on the S&P. Check it out. It's incredible. Check this out. I can't show you on this. Let me go to switch my screen here. Hold on. There we go. I'm on the wrong camera. All right, so we have the room here. We have 68 still remaining in the day trade room. Check out this on. This is just an incredible situation because we went red almost before. So we came up here and then instead of plunging it right here, it gaps it up higher. This would have been a market crash. But instead the futures were up 100 and so points this morning and the market is up 100 points again, to a new record at 21,900 and change. And then right here it came down, saved. This could have been a plunge down to here, but the protection team came in. And then it did another red bar, and instead of a continuation on that, the plunge protection team put a lot of money in to save the market. And then it did it again, and they saved it again. And now it's here. Right here on this bar, if they would have, instead of this bar right here, that would have been lower, the stock market would be crashing right now. But they came in again, the plunge protection team. Google that, guys. If you don't know what that is, that's a government agency that's in place watching the markets to make sure that everything is orderly and in tune and can't crash, and it's a manipulation. That the market is up right now at 21,990, just close to 22,000. It's really an amazing thing. So we have UV going to hopefully move up and make a move right back up here into the 25-30 range, and then it can test the top, and that'll bring TVIX through that one. And we have this stock, AAOI, which is at 100 now and 5. Great job on the Heinz move in the demo. The guy 6 did that. Had total belief in the stock that it would go through, and it did. They're not moving much, but it did go through, and it did make a nice move for you. Here goes UV, 2904. Dow's coming under 90 now. Let me show you where I tracked it before. I have something called Dow Tracker Technology. Apple was actually red. UV was down 89. It's only down 74. Mara has total belief in my system. So let me show you where we tracked earlier. We really tracked this thing, man. Earlier, it went red. We were up, we went to 1. I've been tracking it all day. We've been here, little jump. Come on now. Come on, UV. Market dump, UV jump. Don't try to compare me to nobody else because I'm a MFH, DGF, ETF trading machine. I kick the market's ass every day. I know what I'm doing. So does my team. I give them the signals. Jump, jump. Widda, 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 whack. So you believe that. Mojo, Mara believe that. Mara gets into UV under 29. Mara's in profits over UV at 29. Ready to make a move. Dow takes just, dude, we don't need nothing. A correct, dude, 10 points. Dow sell off 20. Just be up 70. S&P up 3. Perfectly fine with me. That'll cash us in on some more money in the Mojo Day Trade room. I'd love to be making a beautiful profit off these kind of situations. On last time we picked it, it went down 1. It didn't really make that big of a move, which is surprising. But I went and journaled, and this is what happens. This is the surprise. See, the stock market tests you like in this stock. It's like, dude, you're in it. It gives you a little taste of money right here. And then, dude, it says, dude, you're in it again, and I shake you out. I shake you out. I shake you out. Look at this last little, and then, kaboom. Look, the stock went from 26, where UV is now 29, and the stock went to 28.50. $2.50 move. UV can go to, imagine UV going to 31 straight up. This is the kind of thing that's available with UVXY. The market's really not conducive to much right now, but on a UVXY basis, you're in it because it could make a really big spike. There's a lot of uncertainty in the market, and people that need to get into uncertainty, they're hedging with these kind of stocks. TVIX, UVXY, VXX, shorting XVXY, and things like that. So the Dow's up 89, the S&P's up 5.3, and that's what we did. So I've been tracking this all day long. Look, up 76 and up 5.8. So this is where we were at before. Up 68 and 4.6. See how we're dropping? This is what I want to see right now. And everyone already in the demos made great money today from 363 all the way profitable to 16. Tracking 58 and 3.67. It's at 16. So if we can drop right here from 5.2 to 4, it'll be back towards $16. See it? This is good for tracking. See it right here? It was at 87, which it is now, exactly. 87 and 5.22. It's 15, so it's off by a dime. Look. It's off by 9 cents because this is exactly where it should be. See? It's 87 and 5.22. Now it's lower. We should be right here. This is the purpose of Dow Tracker technology, because I know the movement of where it should be and what it is throughout the entire day. And you can be trading it all day long. So we're coming down. We're 86 and 5.1. We should move up 3 or 4 cents right now. Here we go on UV right now. We're going to move a little bit. I'm looking for Apple to shut off and go negative. Apple was negative before twice, and they saved it, coming out with earnings at the bell. Beautiful. 86, 85, coming under 5, 4.99. Here we go, guys. Mojo's on. Just had to do the show. Every time we're making money for the show. That's what we like to do. Like to make money on the Mojo show. Daily picks haven't been phenomenal. I picked AAOI at 98. So if you want to look here, AAOI right off the watch list on the Mojo site, right here. Mojo Day Trade hasn't been much on the watch list, folks. Right here, AAOI at 98.50. You're up $1.98. And TVIX, you've already made 18 cents from my original put-in. There's not much on the watch list that's worth anything. I'm holding a webinar tomorrow, August 2nd at 2 p.m. Just click up top here, register, guys. It's really going to be a great webinar for anybody that's cautious on the market and wants to follow the leader. So I have a free bonus I'm going to give everyone, $99 bonus for understanding the level 2. You come to the webinar, stay there, listen to my gist. I'm also going to give you a stock that's at 8 right now that I think is going to 100. It's my super pick. If you missed the mortgage crisis and the big moves that happened back in 2008, there's never been an opportunity like this. And this stock is amazing. I have a whole report on it. Limited to 100 traders, folks. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're watching this much. And just click in the bottom right-hand corner. Subscribe down there. Just subscribe. Nice job, everybody. So we need some get-go, man. We need some Bugatti. We need a little get-go, a little mojo, Momo in the stocks right here. It's kind of like, what's going on? At least let's see something. I ain't saying let's go down. I'd like to see it at 125 times. It's gone down 120, the 10 cents. I'd love to see it go up 10 to 99 this time. Wouldn't you guys? 10 to 99 this time? Yeah, right? There we go, right? Let's get the positive energy going on that. 10 to 99. Let's do an 8-ball. Let's do an 8-ball, guys. Is TVIX going back through $16? Try again. It's hazy. Try again. We got to try again. Very doubtful. Okay, what about up to? What about up to? Oh, I misspelled it. No, I misspelled it. See, going back through. I misspelled it, most likely. See, as soon as you correct the spelling, see, going badak. It doesn't know what badak is, but it knows what going back is. That's what it does. 84 dropping on the Dow. Dropping under 5 on the S&P. UV making up a dime to 68. This is going to 75 and 4.5. I'd like to see that right now. That's just a normal movement in the Dow. It's got to fluctuate up and down. It's very orderly. They got to move it up. They got to move it down. Then it'll break the bottom or the top. That's what they like to do. And hopefully you're in the right direction where that break of the bottom or the top is the what you want to do. It's like an extraction, man. It's like sitting in the dentist chair and with an extraction. So we got a most likely going back through 16 on the TVIX and the UV making a pop up here towards 20 or 30 again and seeing if it could make some sort of test. It's got to move some direction. We have a long time to go. It's only 1 o'clock. See what happens. Camel toes making a move, guys, but it's got no volume on the push. See, camel toe, Camtech. I call this camel toe. The camel. Told about it yesterday. That's the camel. That we told that in MOJO University. I had the stock as an example making a huge move, and that was the joke that day. Just French. C'est la vie, prochaine. Dry ship's doing nice, holding up at 132 right here for you guys up in this little thing. Got some guys on this action right here. AAOI. Right up, going up to 50 now. Nice job on AAOI. Traded up at 48.50. Traded 1,000 shares up there. Amazing, right? Patience. This is called patience. Look. Kick back. Patience, man. Ain't nothing going on. Just relaxing in the lounge chair, man. Have your feet up. Read a book. Have a drink. That's what we do. Sun's gonna shine. The sun's gonna shine. Patience. This right here is solid bench. Solid right there. Boom. Patience. We will get paid. Here's my drawing. Yeah, look at that drawing, baby. That's nice. See that? Patience, boys. Just gotta have patience. Nice picture, man. Got a solid bench. Just need a solid move off the bench. Finisor did it finally. See that? That's Alan's second pick. Dude, if this one could make its move up and stay solid and do that, anything could. That is unreal. Alan picked that one. That was a good pick. Alan also picked this one, but I didn't do it. He's been on a roll, dude, which is Intel. He picked Intel, too. Dude, I picked camels. I picked a camel, but he picked the Finisher, the DWT, Finisher, DWT, and Intel. And Finisor. I mean, money. Money, money maker. Yeah. Money, money maker. Money, money maker. All right, we're in a perfect storm right now. I'm very bored. We're up 90. Apple's coming out with earnings. Market does not have to go into no correction or nothing. We got B-1 bombers in North Korea bombing right now. Let's see what's going on Twitter. Going for the high of the day. Oh, that would be nice. So I got the Mojo show going. Let's see what's happening on Twitter. What's happening? National Girlfriend Day. Tuesday's thoughts. Happy August. New month. Countdown to Apple's earnings. That's nice.
Quarter sales projection. Okay. They tend to project, and so fourth quarter for Apple is the 3 months through September. Now they typically introduce the new iPhone somewhere in the middle of September. It might be available for a week or two in shops. Now, as we've reported, and a lot of other people have also reported, the top of the range iPhone, iPhone 8 you might call it, iPhone X, some others are calling it.
Give me a break with the iPhone, it's a piece of shit.
It's probably going to be delayed.
You know, I get an install update on my phone every day, and I never do it because it asked me to change the password one time, and I didn't, and I know it's the same one, and it said, dude, your password's no good. So now I have a new one, and it asked me to reset the old one that I don't know each time. I hate it.
So if the forecast, the sales forecast for the next quarter is slightly below expectations, that could be a sort of implied confirmation that it's not going to be around for a few weeks or even a few months.
Right, so a few days are normally accounted for in the coming quarter of iPhone sales, but if it's pushed, those days will be in the coming quarter instead.
Exactly, yeah. So it's sort of backloaded into the Christmas quarter rather than front-loaded into the September
So
quarter.
what's the latest on the delays? This is all due to supplier issues, right?
Yes, there are going to be 3 new iPhones. There'll be upgrades to what we currently have, the 7 and the 7 Plus. They might be called the 7S and the 7S Plus. And these are going to have LCD screens, what currently the iPhones have. The top of the range one is going to have an OLED screen, organic light emitting diodes. And this is technology which is actually in relatively little supply. It's quite hard to get your hands on it. There's not enough OLED out there, is what the reporting shows, to fill all of the iPhones out of the gate.
Now, this quarter is when we typically see a pause, right? And even Tim Cook has talked about this, that people might be waiting for the next phone and not upgrading as quickly.
Dow's still up 89.
Absolutely. But sometimes people do look at it because the sales numbers, how they correlate to the expectations, the analysts' expectations, kind of serves as an indicator of how strongly the Apple brand is holding up. One of Apple's strongest assets is its brand, and sometimes people look at it compared to others. Do people, what's the kind of trend in technology? Do people really care about the underlying technology, or is the brand important enough?
That was cool. You gotta watch that. See that? I got 280 new tweets since that last one like that. Amazing. Okay, cool. Nothing's happening yet. UV touched back over, but it's back down. We need a 20-point sell-off on the Dow, that's all. I mean, you could see what's happening with these stocks. They're not even moving, man. This Finisher is nothing's moving. It's like stalemate. Like, oh, look, there's a missile. Sell, sell, sell. Mike's like, dude, check out this Excel sheet I got. You're like, what? Excel? Did he just say sell? Did Mike just say sell? Sell, everyone, sell. Dude, I'm out of here, man. Goodbye. What? Did Mike just say buy? Did he say buy? Buy, everyone. That's how it works, man. I'm just like, dude, I just said I'm leaving. I didn't say bye. I just said I got a good Excel spreadsheet for you. Guys, this is the leaf I got out of the pool. I'm going to go visit the pool because it's not raining anymore, and there's got to be a leaf floating in the top. Because last time I did it, it went to 1605. I'm going to go do a leaf check, and I'll be back in like 10 seconds. Okay? Here we go. Leaf check. My thing's on mute, sorry. We'd be up so much if this thing was down 6, because it was up before. This is the highest it's been, 6.2. We'd be up a lot if that thing sold. If this thing was down 6, because it was down 1 before. It was. We went all, so we sold off all the way, boys. I'll show you where it'll be if we get close anywhere. Look. Look where we sold off. Right here, we were up 2. That's because it rebounded. Look. We were up 2.2, 3. Look, 5. Which we're up now. Look, 5.57. The stock's at 15.89, which it is now. It's the same price pretty much. It's off by 2 cents. That's pretty good. So we're pretty even right here, guys. And then it sells off. Up 3. So if this thing moves from 6 to 3, now we'll be back at 96. This should be pretty accurate. The Dow will go to 70. Sounds pretty good. And then it'll go to 2.6, 2.2. We wrote it up. Keeping it good. Hi, Remy. Here's 1.59, 1.33. Look, 1.33. We were about to plunge to a new crash of the stock market. And at this particular point, the plunge protection team came in right here and saved the day. But we would have been crashed right there, boy. Woo! It's not a huge money-making day, but it's a money-maker. And then right here, you could see Apple crashed, and they brought it right back up. 148.61. See it? It's at 149.07 now, up 34 cents. But this thing right here, they held it up. This could bring the whole market down right here. That's what should happen. And then we went through 16, see? 16, quick tease, quick. And the Dow is going to go green cross on the, look at this. We're up 3 and 74, and we're at 16, man. And then we did this finisher right here, you see it? But it came from too far down the block, so at least, people didn't lose on that one. The DWT and the other ones were really, really nice. What do you want, Remy? What do you want, buddy? There's nothing up there. This is right here. See, it was the PPT came in right here and right here to hold it, man. Twice. Pretty pathetic. Pretty pathetic. And then you have right here 74 cents down on UV, 84 cents down on UV. Dow is up 79 and 3.6. We're up 89 and 6.2 now. And UV was at down 7, only 10-cent difference. UV can jump right here through 29 and go up pretty fast. I've seen that happen before. So I'm just tracking everything. And it's a big piece of shit. Leave me alone. See, here it goes. It went low as soon as I put Remy down. Nice job, McClincy. New trader in the room, 1406 for the day. Good job. Good job, guys. So that's pretty much it. We're done with this stupid-ass stock. I mean, this is just crazy, dude. UV dropped to what, 76? No, it's AMD. UV dropped, it just dropped 1 bar. All right, let's see what it does, man. Dow's up 90, 6.33 on the S&P. See, here's the S&P. What a crazy. This is unbelievable. Look. Down, and we saved the day. This could have been a crash. And they saved the day. Right here, the PPT, right there. And then right here, they said, let's test the low and forget that. And then we'll do it again and forget that. I mean, this could have been right here, another test. 1 bar, that's it. And we're going into a sell zone. But they brought it back up again, and now it's higher. It is quite amazing. I haven't seen anything like this in 25 years. I've traded the stock market for 25 years. That's pretty much it. Go ahead and add 400 in the demos. Go ahead and add some here. 1577 and 2881. That's all you could do. Just add a little bit. Goes back up. We won't make much, and then it'll spit on us. That's what's going to happen. We'll sell it here, and then it'll go up, and we'll sell it because it went down this little dip, and then it'll run. That's what happens. You know that, right? Always happens. That was a good buy off 82. Stock is just so crazy, man. It's like pulling a tooth. The market is so high, it won't come out. The extraction just won't come out. It won't. $6.6 billion money manager says, don't get freaked out, but severe downdraft will hit stocks. Oh yeah, that'd be nice, right? I don't need no, I just need a wind. Need a wind. Oh, I just heard thunder. Remy heard thunder too. Little gains, man. That's what making little clips. You got to take the losses too if they come. But there haven't been many. Just got to be patient. 21,983 on the Dow. Came down hard too. We've been in a straight line. Straight line action. 6.2 on the S&P. New high. High actually is 2478. 2 points away from that. Low. Way to go. 2471. Hey, but let's do it. Things drop. I'd love to see something drop. Because I ain't buying. You can't buy and chase up here quality stocks, because if it sells off, boom, they get back. You know, people got their finger on the algorithm button ready to sell that sucker. So, all right, we're heading lower. What were we? 90. I think we went to 90 here. We're 90 and 6.1. Apple's up 34. UV's down 93 now, so it's got something to come back. That's pretty much it. There's not a lot happening with the stock market, folks. If anybody sees anything, let me know. But otherwise, we're waiting on the Apple earnings. I think the market is, and I think it's priced in. And if it's a disappointment, I mean, look what happened to Amazon. It was supposed to be the darling and the golden bell. Well, it ain't golden no more. It ain't golden no more. What happened? This is like, you know, Apple right up here. Ain't gold. If it's so golden, I think the earnings are priced in already. Look at Google. Right here. Google, I call shorts on all these things right here. Check it out. Where's my day trade room? Right here was the perfect storm. Have it right here. Where is it? Let me show you. The research. I gotta find the image. Huh. Gotta be on my desktop somewhere here. It's the ultimate trade play on UV. And these stocks. Where is it? Dry ships, dry ships, dry ships. Big risk bar. Huh. I think I have it right here. Ultimate. Let me search for ultimate. Nope. I put it in. It was a chart on all those. It was on my YouTube. I don't even want to look for it. But yeah, those things were so toppy, man. I was like, they're all gonna come down. Apple's going under 149 now. Let's see it come down a little bit. To this 5-minute bar. All right. Dow's up 90. S&P 6. AAOI came down under 100. Oh, we got to go back up here. TRTN 37 on 129. Triton International. Nah. Nothing much. Usually when I start the show, things go in our favor and good, but nothing's moving at all today. Here's a V-band spike on AMBA. Interesting. Look, Alan and guys, this is a good one. Mike caught a V-band. Look. AMBA. AMBA is the symbol. AMBA. Yeah, looks good. Dow's coming down 89. See it drop 5, 6, 7 points. S&P little sell-off follow. Apple's under 149 now. 149, 80, 96. Let's see another red bar down. Here comes 90, under 6 on the S&P. Finally. Sold off 3 points. Wow. Did you feel that breeze? You feel that breeze, man? Nice, right? What a breeze. Nice breeze, right? Jeez. You know, we haven't had hurricanes in a long time. Now all of a sudden we're having a hurricane coming, you know. $88, $87. Need the S&P to go under 6 towards 5.5, 5, and then it'll go to 3. I'm going to put up AMBA right here. The new pick, AMBA. See it? AMBA went up on the watch list too, guys. Yeah, that was a good one. That was a nice one. S&P 5.9, Dow 85. UV 86, UV 90, we go to 29 again. All right, everything looks great. Awesome. Good job, Ryan. Should go over 51. $5.8 now on the S&P. Fell from 6.2. Dow 84. Here we go. 83, 82, 81. That'd be nice. Send UV right to 90. Oh, you fucking kidding. Dropped it for 4 cents. From 84 to 80. Instead of going up, it did it again. Does it every time. Instead of jumping 4 cents, it fell 4 cents. See that? Did it again. Did it again. Instead of jumping 5 cents in our favor, it goes down 5 cents in our favor all the time. All the time. And now it's back to 85. It's unbelievable. And the Dow's at 80, correcting. Oh, what a joke. 80, falling. 80, and we're at the same mark. Yeah, follow down, but it's right back. But it could be, hopefully that's the suck out, you know? I'm like, forget it. It's the last chance to suck people out before the run. That'd be pretty sick. Because if you look at the 15-minute chart, it hasn't done anything yet. It's still right here where it started, guys. Look. Let me switch to the 15. Look. On this side. See? Look, it's still at the same mark where it started. It hasn't done anything. See? Look. This is where they started. This is the day. This is it. It's just right. It's in here. Oh, look at this. Look at that. Isn't that buggy cool, dude? I just got that going. I didn't even meant to do that. But that was nice, right? Get up a little get-go on the go-go right there, right? A little chop on the clop. Dow 81. Hey. You know what's good? The Dow's not at 101. It's at 80. It's dropping. If they support this thing, that's the end of it. We're dropping. S&P's at 5.7. Here's a little chart. Look, Dow's red a little bit right here. There's no doubt a Marabuzu bar right here is going to freaking come down. Dude, come on now. This is incredibly crazy. This is crazy, dude. Is the S&P following? Yes, dude, this is crazy. You guys see this? You see this in the Mojo room? You better believe it. 77 on the Dow. At least we ain't 100. 5.5. UV's down 93. Perfect storm. Come on, UV. Beat back 74. Puts it right back to 29. Where we should be right now. 29. Dow fell. Yes. See, I told you, dudes. That was the lag. Boom. See that? That was a nice algo lag. Boom, baby. I could taste it. I could taste it. I could taste it. 29. 76 and 5.3. At least we ain't 106 and 9.3. Patience, baby. Dude, I'll sit here and let this thing dwindle down all day. In the after hours, we go red. Tomorrow, big drop. That'd be sick. Come on, UV algo. That's what I like. It's a signal on UV too. Come on down, mister. There's a gap down on the S&P 5-minute. Look, next bar down. Let's go, baby. Joking. UV dropped. See, it did it again. Instead of going up from 93 to 29.03, it dropped again. It did it again. See, it did it again. What's another one in the book? No, it always does it, dude. Always. Always, dude. I'm telling you, out of 100 times, 90 times out of 100, it'll go down 10 cents for me instead of up 10 cents. It's unbelievable. Intel's a new high. Alan picked the Intel this morning. Right here. Look at Intel. Solid brick. Up 2.2%. This is like supporting the Dow. Intel's a Dow stock, right? And your Momo, Alan. Here's Momo, 44.91. You remember you like that one too? That one always got some Momo for you. Alan's on fire. Beautiful. Alan's on fire. It's so awesomely funny. I'm like, dude, I'm the MVP, but hey, I scored the most points. The best. You know we got LeBron here, guys. Nice to have LeBron on your team. LeBron. You guys is moving now. Look, 1093. All of a sudden, LABD died before. See this? All of a sudden, guys, they spike. Look at the spike bar. See? All of a sudden, look how big they go. Stock went up 20 cents in one bar. See? Just like that. Boom. It's going to continue too. Where's the U, guys? Let me look at the daily. Oh, yeah. See, look, it's coming off of the reversal just like UVXY. Look. Just like UV. You guys. It's turning up big all of a sudden. Out of nowhere. See? Buy a little of that. It should continue. Stocks in motion, stay in motion. Dow up 80, falling. Nice. Alan loves the room in the trade. We love Alan in the room too. It's a great line. I couldn't imagine being in any other room or place to be. I've been here for so long, 5 years. I got my magic leaf. Come on, magic leaf. I got you out of the pool. And these are the ones from yesterday. They have magic in them too. So I'll hold all three magic leaves. And I grabbed the MOJO spinner, the gold one. Give it a spin. Stay sleeping, Remy. Look at the REM stones in the major. See? They're down there. Or my best friends. Yo, what kind of job could you in the middle of the day go take a shower? I want you to go take a shower before the show and stuff. I'm like, dude, there's no other job in the world unless you have a shower in your office. You know what I'm saying? Unless you got a shower in your office. That ain't happening. Oh, look, UV moved a little bit. A penny. Because the Dow's at 82. S&P's fallen a little bit. Let me put that on my list. I have 3 things I have to mail out and go to the post office for. Mara, I got to send her some journals. I have that right here. See, I have that right there on my desk right there. Mara gets her journals and her pens. And Alan gets a spinner. I have to have a contest this month for the spinners. What kind of contest can I have for the spinners? To think of something really good. UV, go 90. Go as the Dow drops under 80. We were just 77. You know that. We were 5.7 back on that. Apple's up 30 cents. They like Apple so much. Where's Warren Buffett coming in? At 150? Look at Amazon, even at 1,000 per share. What are you, crazy? Who's going to pay $1,000 for one share of that stock? And we're going to like, you know, look, one share is $1,000. One share. You'd make today $12. It's up 12 points. Your commission to buy is 5. Your commission to sell is 5. You made no money, but your broker did. And the stock went up 12 points. How in the world are you going to do that? Priceline, PC. William Shatner owns 2 million shares of this stock. It's $2,000 a share. William Shatner owns 10 million. He's worth billions of dollars. He ain't selling none. Who's going to buy that one share for $2,000? You can go on a vacation for one share of this stock. Price line. Sick. My journal is what journaling in the last 2 days? It's like I've been in the dentist chair. They can't get me out of there and extract this freaking tooth. It's like pull the damn thing out already, man. Price line's down 5 points. Come on now. Redfin's up again. Redfin, Chem taking these off my screen. Camped off my screen. KTOB off my screen. Novin off. Off. Everything's coming off, guys. Comba Matrix, them warrants were up the other day. That's why that stock's up big. DWT, Finisher's done. AMBA, done. AMBA was a great trade, guys. Nice job on AMBA. Done with that one and done with... I'll keep up UWT and DWT as the new ETFs and dry ships I'm removing. So we have the lineup right here. This is the line. If anybody wants to copy my screen of the ETFs and what to trade, this is our trading roster. Very liquid, maneuverable stocks. Very maneuverable liquid. UV dropped to 81. Son of a bitch. You son of a bitch. Really is that it would do that and drop again. Instead of going up 10 cents, it dropped 10 cents because it was at 89, went to 79. Instead of at 89 going to 99 and going through. It's incredible. It really is. It really is incredible. And the Dow's the same and the S&P's the same. We saw it this morning moving the shares on no volume. So, patience, man. What we do. I mean, it's unbelievable. Amazing, isn't it? Well, at least it's at stopping station. At least it went to the stopping station. From there, it usually bounces off. So we'll see if it does that. Hey, it did. What do you say? What do you know, Bud Light? Everyone crack a beer. Imagine that, huh? Can you imagine? They wanted your stock at stopping station. Can you believe that, huh? Amazing, huh? Amazing. Now they take it. They took it in your old days. Now they run it in your face. That would be nice. That's what they normally do. They normally would have taken your stock there in the old day, and right now, within 5 minutes, they spit on you. So let's see if they spit on you now, and you would have lost your stock. You'd be pissed right now. You'd be like, maybe I should buy it back, and then you'd be buying it back maybe at 90. So we'll see if it does that, because that's the pattern of emotionness. At least it's fluttering. I can't believe it's down $1 again. This is the all-time on it, actually. If you look at the daily, 28.52, 28.44, 28.20, 28.57, 30, 29.22, 28.74. So it's in this range, man. And it's only traded 11 million shares. The market's up 84 and 6.12. What time is it? Oh, I have 900 emails. That's nice. It's 1:47. We have 2 hours. Oh, yeah. I think I may go read a book. I have my magazine here. I can read my magazine. No, we're not really doing much, just sitting. It's not much trading going on because the stocks aren't doing much. That's what we do. It's raining out. Got to go actually walk my dogs because they've been cooped up all day. Dry ships did a nice run. Keep it above 130, guys, and that's it. It'll drop down. You know what dry ships does. So as long as you got a good cost on it, just keep it up above here, and you'll be all good to go. You know, summer months are the worst months of the year. August through October are the worst months of the year. So you would have lost the stock. Now you've recuperated. Now it should spit on you. That's usually the time frame. About now, UVXY should go up. That would be cool. Let's look at it. 82. See if it goes 85, 86, 87 again. If it makes up 1%, is 30 cents. So that's all we need. Puts it right over 29 again. See, it's going to happen here soon. Just patience. CSBK, 1693 on 34,000 shares. Fold. Can't do it, no volume. All right, guys, I'm going to do a walk away. I'm not sitting here all day. I'm going away from the computer. This is the stock market. Some days you hit it big. Some days you don't hit it big. There's 20 trading days. Out of the 23 are the biggest days. Then you have 10 or 12 normal days and 4 crazy days. These are probably 4 of the 5 crazy ones of the month today because nothing's happening and things aren't really pounding in our favor. Not yet, at least. So we'll see what happens. Pro Trader Mike signing off, everybody. Peace. You keep it profitable. And if you have any trouble, email me, info@mojodaytrading.com. I'll help you out. Pro Trader Mike signing off. I'll see you at the webinar tomorrow. Then I'll see you in Mojo University. Here's the 2. Mojo U, and then the webinar.